decided to come into TRX today. Let Grandpa get a rest. I went to Louisiana last week and probably put close to about 600 miles on it. So I'm gonna go ahead and let it take a rest and just drive this one around here and try to find a meet. I got one meet starting up at about 7 o'clock that I'm gonna try to go to get some content. Right now I'm headed to this other little spot to meet a buddy of mine and just kind of hang out for a hot minute. I ain't gonna be out too long because I want to get back to watch that Mayweather fight. By the time y'all see this, the fight will be over with by the time I edit and post. But I just wanted to kind of update with y'all. And we just go for the ride. Let me tell you about YouTube. About 3 or 4 times the editing app that I'm using, I use their little licensed music. You know, the little music you be hearing in the background when I do my videos. Now that's the licensed music that we can use to post videos. But look like every other week they send me this copyright claim. So I gotta go through all this deal, finding the end user agreements and everything and send it to them, and gotta wait, you know, for them to clear my name up or whatever. And every time they copyright claim, it'd be the same song that I've been using. I didn't use probably about 4 or 5 videos, you know. So I'm in the process now. I need to try to find me some different music or my own music. But like I say, that's gonna all come with time. You know, like I said, I got to build up first before I try to do any extra spending. You know, right now, because you know, like I said, everything is on me right now. I'm not monetized or whatever. I'm just doing this as a hobby. But I do appreciate my subscribers, though. You know, I'm gonna always say that because, you know, y'all are the ones keeping me encouraged on keep doing videos. You know, when I see an email getting a new subscriber here and there, that's amazing to me. You know, because it's something that I didn't think that I would do well in. You know, but it is what it is. You know, it's fun, and I'm gonna continue doing it. And like I said, as long as y'all support me, support the campaign, I'm gonna keep pushing. You know, and like I said, the better and better, the more and more, and we'll just grow together. But anyway, I'm heading to the spot to meet a friend of mine. Might have a little action out there, probably not. It's more like a little club scene. But I'll cut the camera back on. But definitely, I'm gonna try to get to this car meet that they're having. It starts at 7 o'clock. So I'm gonna definitely try to go there and get some content. But until then, I'll see y'all in a little bit.
Took so long till I gave in. Saw you smile when I was dreaming. You told me it's okay, this gotta be a way. Just start holding on to a promise hasn't made out. Found myself in your eyes. I'm here to say goodbye, yeah. Where views can set a fire. I know you're moving on with someone else, and I'm not the same.
section off like Mopars or just everything. Chevy, it's just everything. Just really nothing that y'all would like to see, because I know I don't like to see it. It ain't really nothing going on. Like I said, you know, the scenery kind of changed. You know, these laws have kind of changed up stuff a little bit. And it's got like this, the scene is not like it used to be. Just everything out there, you know. And like the car meet that I normally go to, where it's just Mopars, you know, a lot of Mopars, you know, sports cars. This is everything out there. As you can see, it's trucks. I want to get y'all good content. You know, he just in a factory truck, just burning in gravel. You know, just pretty much, you know, got the text on the meet, and they just pull up and whatever. It's not no specified this or that. So, you know, I'm about to get out of here, you know, because I'm just wasting my time, because I want more quality meat. You know what I'm saying? But I tried, man. You know, hopefully sooner than later. Let me turn down here. Sooner than later, you know, I'll be able to get a quality video. You know, with some quality footage. You know, like I used to last year, because this little footage right here ain't even worth, you know, being away from the crib. I'm gonna roll down the window a little bit, but that's popping up, you know. Blowing it up. Hey man, that thing loud, man.
I know, right? It's crazy.
You know, got a little bit of everything out there, man. You know, but I'm going home to the fam. You know, I see a couple of people talking about, you know, it's a T-Rex, it's a T-Rex. But you know, got no sense for me to. I need a little bit more, you know. You know, they videoing and everything, you know, because I'm not on the T-Rex out here. You know? You know, but shout out to them, you know what I'm saying? You know, I mean, it is what it is. It is what it is. I'm about to go home. Give me some sleep. Watch this fight. I got the window down now. Because I wanted y'all to hear that. I wanted y'all to hear that car popping. You know, but, you know, I'm trying, y'all. You know, I'm trying to give y'all some good footage. Shit, I'm trying. You know, but the quality is not what I would like. But that's all they got right now, you know? You know, ain't nothing out here worth me even being out here. I'm in a $100,000 truck. And, you know, I'm out here with, you know, guys fixing up their mufflers and stuff. You know, with their families and stuff. As you can see on the video.